People keep failing where it matters most. Disasters hit, and the response is slow, chaotic, totally outdated. Lives lost because eyes in the sky are tied to human limits, communication breaks down, and the right information arrives too late or not at all. It's infuriating. Founders building tech and investors pouring money need proof. Is this AI drone stuff really changing the game, or just hype? The brutal truth is that until now, disaster response has been stuck using yesterday's tools in tomorrow's crises, and that costs lives, money, and trust. But what if the real breakthrough is happening right now, hiding in plain sight? AI-powered drones aren't just flying cameras or fancy toys. They are shifting the entire battlefield, mapping rubble faster than human eyes ever could, spotting survivors buried under debris within seconds, and adapting instantly as the chaos unfolds. If you think drones are just about better pictures, you're missing the point. It's about replacing guesswork with cold, hard data delivered in real time. No delays, no errors. Listen closely. The drones are learning on the fly. They can prioritize who to save first, identify the most dangerous zones, and coordinate with ground teams without endless radio chatter. That's not small change. That's what real transformation looks like. Founders, if you want to build something that means more than just another shiny gadget, this is it. Stop wasting time on tools that copy the old playbook. You have to push AI drones to do things no human can. Integrate satellite images, weather data, social media feeds, all in one view that updates non-stop. Investors, this is your call to back hyper-intelligent systems, not just hardware. The future winners will be those who crack the code of linking AI with the boots on the ground, not those who sell cameras with wings. The piece most people miss? These drones want to talk to each other, and the human teams like partners, not just obey orders. You want impact? Make drones that predict the next move of a spreading fire or shifting floodwaters, that can decide where to drop urgent medical supplies in places no one can safely reach. And don't accept slow, bureaucratic rollouts. Build fast, test hard, fail faster, then scale. Disaster zones don't wait for perfect products. They break you if the tech is cumbersome or slow. These aren't just drones. They are the future first responders. Smart, fearless, connected. They can cut response times by hours, save hundreds of lives, and even give back control to people on the ground who often feel powerless. If you're looking for a space where AI can genuinely change the world, this is it. But it won't happen by accident. You have to push beyond what's safe or normal. You have to demand products built with one goal: absolute urgency and precision in the worst moments. Forget selling another app or service that looks good on paper. Invest in AI-driven drones that prove their value where it counts, when seconds separate survival from disaster. And here's the kicker. This fight isn't just about tech. It's about building new networks, new ways teams connect, trust each other, and move at the speed of crisis. Don't let your drone sit idle in a warehouse or get stuck in pilots' hands who treat it like a toy. Build drones that act fast, think faster, that never stop pushing for better answers. Founders and investors, this is where grit meets opportunity. You want to be part of saving lives, in real time? Then this is your battlefield. Stop playing with yesterday's solutions and start building AI-powered drones that transform disaster response from a broken system into a ruthless, unstoppable machine for saving people. Time isn't on anyone's side, but with AI drones, it could be for once. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.